What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a new 2024 Toyota GR. One of the first kits we put on this new body style HKS Widebody kit. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, as you know, we've done quite a bit of wide bodies. Mr. Kevin Russo, all the nicknames you might want. Kevin. Danny, put it in, work for it, Renee. This is all second nature to us, right? This wide body stuff. So this being a little bit different kit, HKS, we're going to treat it with the same respect, make this thing come out really, really nice. Danny's taking the lead on this and getting this thing all body work. We're gonna have a couple of members help out. But overall, what do you think compared to the other body kits? Is this one pretty good? Same?
This one's pretty good. It's actually, I'm surprised how good quality this one came out.
The HKS, right?
But hands down, like I'm used to like 300 kits, and they'll come out really good too. But HKS, they're up there too. Yeah. I like this one.
Y René, tantos cuerpos grandes, o como dicen, white bodies, cuerpos grandes, que este es igual, mejor, te la pela, o cómo, no te asusta nada.
No, no me asusta.
No es nada para ti.
Sí, pero no me asusta.
Alright, so guys, we're all working on this. We're gonna start taking this apart because we do have to cut the quarter panel and re-weld, so we're gonna get to that. But the kit's coming along. We are gonna be doing a full color change on this thing, so you guys want to stay tuned for that. So let's go. Okay, we have the first batch of parts ready and painted. This is a color that we have not done before, but it looks really, really good already. Now, I'm sure you're not gonna get the gist of this color in the paint booth. It's definitely gonna need to see some much brighter lighting or some sun. But this color is Viola Metallic from Porsche. I believe it's the first of its kind on 86 chassis. But wow, this color is it's a very, very deep purple. It has a really nice metallic to it, but it almost looks like black until you really, really come on it. And then in the sun, it's very vibrant purple. But as you guys can see, we got all the jams done with the hood, that trunk, factory trunk spoiler, we have the rear bumper, we have the doors, we have the side skirts. A lot of parts already painted. In the back booth, walk through here very carefully, you'll see that we have the whole car pretty much ready to finish masking up and to go ahead and wipe it down and paint the rest of the car. So next week we should be able to finish up on the kit, start getting the thing put back together and get some paint on that. Alright guys, what's up? The GR86 has officially been painted and it looks phenomenal. Let's take a look. Kendall, can we get some big sheesh in here? Something like that. But wow, this thing came out amazing. We took out all the glass, shot everything together so there's no dry line. Even shot into a little bit of the fender aprons. We are not doing the engine bay on this thing just yet, but all the glass is out. Everything has been fully taken apart. We shot all the rear trunk jam and the rear body panel and the hinges and everything, and this thing looks wet. It looks really, really good. Very happy with the team. Car came out amazing. Now it's time to get this thing out of here because we gotta paint some other cars. But we'll drive for, I want to say, Another 2 days. We have to paint the kit next. So that's a whole booth full of parts. Everything else has been painted, so we'll probably start assembly within the next couple of days. Then by the end of this week, this thing should look like a car. So let's get the rest of the stuff painted. Okay, so literally we have the last pieces for the GR86 here getting painted. We have reached completion time. After everything is fully painted, car has already been drying for probably about a week now. What we're doing is gonna go ahead and assemble what is like the doors, the hood, stuff like that. We'll be able to polish it. Then while this is drying, we'll polish out the car. Then we can put this on the car very, very gently. And we can go on to polishing this, and this car is ready for delivery. But this is what this base looks like. As you guys can see, up close and personal. The kit is looking very, very nice. Very happy with the finish that we have on this. We did have one problem area that we found some pinholes. Very, very little, but I was just like, hey, just take care of it. And you know, so that was yesterday. But other than that, the rest of it is really, really nice, really, really fine. All these pieces are gonna look amazing once they are cleared. So we'll do that up next. And then you'll see this thing all done. All right, guys, everything now is fully painted for the GR86. This full HKS kit came out impeccable. It looks great. We're gonna let it sit over the weekend before we install it on the car, but let's take a look at it now. All right, guys, this paint came out immaculate. Richard, you've done it again and again and again. Wow, amazing. Everything looks so good. This color, I've really grown fond of it because it is definitely like a purple, but like on that side tone, you get like a black. But then in the sun, it really does pop out. This is a special color that the customer chose, and he went to go see it on a paint to sample Porsche, and you know, seeing it here and in person, it looks so good. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. And this is just straight off the gun, and you guys can just see the clarity right off the bat. You could almost see like every single like cuticle, every single like fingerprint on my hand. Like it's good. Everything looks really good. We'll still polish this. We'll still wet sand. This is gonna be a show car, so we're gonna wet sand everything. We're gonna polish it, but we're gonna let it sit for the weekend. Today is Friday, so you know it's time to party. We won't be doing partying because we got SEMA bills that we gotta do. But this thing is very close to being done, and this video is very close to being done. So just sit back, relax, and watch how we put this thing together. Okay, so the last couple days, the GR86 has been curing in the sun. Since then, we've assembled it, and then a quick polish just around the area that the kit bolts up. That way, everything's good to go, and we can still polish the rest of the car, but we don't need to polish right around the area that we are gonna be assembling. Because right now, we're gonna do our first initial retest fitment of everything. Now that everything's painted, everything's dried, a very long time, so we're ready to go.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? It's me, G. Today, putting a wide body kit on this Toyota 86. I don't know why I can't talk right now. It's hot. But anyways, let's get into today's video.
For the initial cuts and some polish. Now the car's not 100% done. We still need some wheels. We still need our finishing polish and everything like that. But the car is somewhat complete for the first time. And I didn't really want to show you the full assembly because it just, you got to see it all together. So right now, I got the boys wiping it down. We're gonna pull her out. Transport is right outside, and she's ready to go back up to NorCal. We're not gonna see her with the wheels today, but hopefully the next time we see this thing, it will have the wheels. We'll get some pictures and stuff like that. But let's get into the glamour shots. here it is, all done. Let's take a quick walk around now. This thing still needs a little bit more correction, but our timeline is far exceeded. We're gonna get a roll cage, gonna go get a turbo kit, wheels, bunch of stuff. Be back here for do our final paint correction and shakedown, clearancing any of the new wheels, and then we'll be done with it. And I think this one will be at SEMA, so if you're out there, you may be able to see it. So going over this HKS kit, so you use a factory GR86 bumper with this aftermarket splitter, spoiler, whatever you want to call it, and it has a whole underplate. It's made out of carbon fiber extension on the side with this add-on piece. And I really like these flares that come on the rear, front and the rear as well, with these huge, you know, HKS style over fenders, very similar to what the Supra runs. Running the stock bumper, comes with a small diffuser, and this whole, it's all like connected. It looks really good. Really happy with how this one turned out, guys. I really like this color too, and we may be using it here in the future. All right, guys, this thing is ready to go on the transport. Wow, this color's sick. Chunky. Alright guys, and that's wrapping up the HKS GR86. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We had a lot of fun building this thing. Now again, you're gonna see it probably on the channel one more time, hopefully right before it gets to SEMA, and hopefully with a new set of wheels. Calvin, thank you so much for trusting us with the second car, man. Really appreciate you, and HKS for letting us build this car for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Again, here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.